Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.43 for tech, which is notably higher than the historical average for this sector. This spike suggests a sudden positive shift in how sentiment is trending, despite momentum holding steady at zero. Our API returns a detailed payload that includes sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into the nuances of tech sentiment. Imagine you're developing a trading strategy based on real-time sentiment analysis. This data can help you identify emerging trends before they become mainstream, like a surge in interest for a specific technology or company. For more on integrating our sentiment insights into your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Get ahead of the curve with the power of sentiment data.